They said nothing could grow here, not for 1,000 years. A desert stretched across the land. Endless sand, endless heat, no rivers, no shade, no green. Just
Nothing grows here.
under the sun.
That's about to change.
But something was about to change. Because in the middle of this empty desert, there is now fruit. Mango trees. Heavy with life. Where there should be none.
Okay, hold it
This
there.
is not where the story begins.
Looks good.
We go back to day one. Day one was silence. Only sand. Only wind. Only nothing. The soil was dry. Too dry for roots. But then work began.
Then we give
The
it
ground was
something
cut
that
open.
will.
Deep trenches in the desert.
This sand won't hold water.
Something unusual was placed inside. Thin black pipes. Hidden. Controlled. Precise.
Water has to go straight to the roots.
No waste. Not here.
At first, nothing changed. The desert
Roots
stayed
are
the
going deeper now. That's how they survive out
Still,
here.
but underground. Something
They
was
look too
moving.
small.
Roots began to
Give
form,
them time.
searching for water. Slowly.
Still damp? That's a good
Surface
sign.
cracked,
The system
green
is
appeared.
holding.
Good.
A single
Let's check the
leaf.
next row.
Then another. Small mango
They're
saplings
growing.
pushed through the
I didn't
sand,
expect
deeper
this.
and stronger.
It's incredible.
Rows began to form.
Leaves are
across the
getting
desert
bigger.
floor.
Yes, they're adapting well.
The desert was
The
no
new
longer
irrigation is helping.
Definitely, the
something was
growth is
growing.
promising.
There. You see that?
People asked one question.
That's the first fruit.
How?
It's a good sign. A very
Answer
good
was no
sign.
luck.
Flowers already? Faster than
A hidden
expected.
system beneath the sand. Water moved through pipes
They're
underground,
getting
drop by
bigger
drop.
every
No
day.
waste.
Didn't think we'd
Soil
reach
was
this
empty now,
stage.
too. Not just sand, but living earth.
Feels heavy.
compost,
That's a good sign.
Minerals, organic matter, layer by layer.
Color is changing.
The desert was
That
ready
means
to
they're
open,
ripening.
and the trees responded perfectly.
This
Because
is
system copied
it.
nature
Time to
itself.
harvest.
Slow,
The trees are heavy.
precise,
Let's get to work.
Right
efficient,
behind you.
not a miracle.
Cared for.
Method.
Don't damage it. Yes, everyone
Fruit.
counts. Good.
Small
Handle with
efforts.
care.
Then
Understood.
heavy on the
Perfect.
branches,
They're
golden
ready.
rainbows in the
It's
desert
time.
sun. Farmers walked through the rows, quietly,
Let's see inside.
picked the first harvest. In a place that was once nothing,
Juicy.
fruit now existed. But the most important part is not what happened, it is what it means. This system can be repeated.
Look at this harvest
Other
from
deserts,
pure sand.
other
Incredible
lands,
yield. A true
other
bounty.
futures.
So rewarding.
The
Absolutely.
question is no longer,
Sweeter than I expected.
can life
It's
grow
sweet.
here?
It's sweet.
Question is,
Incredible.
Best
where
harvest
next?
yet.
If this can
We
happen in
proved
the
it.
desert,
This land
what else
can
do you
grow
think is
life.
possible? Let me know in the comments. And if you're curious about ideas like this, subscribe. Because there are more stories that don't make sense at first.